Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's Tutorial. Today's topic is a biography writing. Rameshbabu Praggnanandhaa. Rameshbabu Praggnanandhaa, often referred to as Praggu, is a young Indian chess grandmaster who has gained international recognition for his remarkable achievements in the world of chess. He is born on 10th August 2005 in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. His father's name is Ramesh Babu, who is a manager of TNSC Bank. His mother's name is Nagalakshmi, who is a homemaker. His sister's name is R. Boisali, who is also a chess grandmaster. He earned the title of International Master at the age of 10, who showed his exceptional talent and dedication to the game. Praggnanandhaa became the second youngest player to earn the title of Grandmaster at the age of 12. He defeated the world champion Magnus Carlsen in Rapid Chess Tournament in 2022. He got Arjun Award in 2022 for his great achievements. Praggnanandhaa will remain an inspiration for all young chess players. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.